Hi students, good morning to all of you, and once again welcome to online class. Student, let's come to shall study remaining exercise part question unit 5 our simple needs, that is one more sub lesson, the water elixir of life. Student, you knew already the natural things and man-made things, and how the water is important to our life and how the water get polluted, and you have to very new about these things. So now let's come students, we have to solve the some exercise part question answer of in the unit 5 our simple needs. Students, before the solving this exercise part, do you know about the water pollution? I said in our previous classes, yes, all of us need the water. Yes, our populations grow, we need more water, but we need pure and clean water. But if the water is get polluted, what happen? Then the problems is created, that is shortage of water. And how does the water get polluted? So look here, one picture is the student, how the water get polluted. Observe that the different ways the water gets polluted from the here on. So these are the ways water get the polluted, student. So next come student, what happens suppose when you drink this polluted water. Suppose we drink this polluted water, this type of here water is get polluted from the different ways, like washing clothes on the banks, and washing the animals in the middle of water, throwing any other waste material into the river, and bathing. So many ways their water get polluted. So if suppose we are drinking water, look here student, humans are take the water from the river here, that is used for drinking. So this, it is good? It's not good, because here water is already get polluted. Suppose if you are get drink this polluted water, the people suffer from typhoid, jaundice, hepatitis, and gastroenteritis. These are the diseases comes from the water pollution. So drinking water should be pure, students. I give suggestion to you, you always drink the water very pure water. Water should be purified before we drink it, students. So let's come student, here for which of the following activities do you need the cleanest water? Here that they are given here 6 activities. Out of the 6 activities, which one you need the cleanest water for all these of the activities? So here washing clothes, yes, you need cleanest water. If you do not need cleanest water, if you wash the dirty water, our clothes not be washed properly. That's why this is also we need clean water. Bathing is also very necessary. Mopping floor, it is little bit, that's okay, and that is not necessary. And drinking is must. Watering plants, it's also must. And washing utensils, this is also very must. Out of these all the 6 activity, mopping floor, except the mopping floor, the remaining all 5 activities, we need the cleanest water. So keep in your mind, student. Let's come student, here look at the picture below. In what way is the water getting polluted? Mention any 3 ways. So here look, be careful students, this one activities, some different ways of activities is going on this here water source. Okay, here's peoples are there, man's, women's, animals, some other waste things are there. So based on this looking the picture, we have to write the 3 way how the water get polluted. Here student, I already written here. First of all, washing clothes on the banks. Here look there student, peoples are washing their clothes on the banks. So is it good? If you are doing this, like what happened, the water get polluted. This is also one way. And next one, bathing animals in the middle of the water. Here one man is there, here he is washing his animals in the middle of river. Is it good? If this like he is doing, what happened, the water get polluted. And third one, dirty animals entering the water. Yes, here the forest animals or any domestic animals, if they enter into the river for purpose of drinking, okay, suppose they are entering in the drinking water source, what happen? The water is also get polluted. That's the reason here. So these are the ways to water get the polluted. One more, student, this is the third exercise question. Name the 3 waterborne diseases caused by drinking polluted water. This one already I said you. Waterborne disease means which disease comes under we use the polluted water. For example, typhoid is also come waterborne disease, jaundice and hepatitis. Not only these 3 are there, student, many are there. One more is the gastroenteritis. Your stomach gets paining started if you suppose you are drinking polluted water, and if you are using the polluted water, typhoid will be coming and jaundice is also coming. Okay, so these are the waterborne disease. Let's, student, these are the waterborne disease. Keep in your mind, these are 3 exercise question answer, very important. I hope you are understood this one. The next class I will come to the one more exercise part question, that is the last exercise part question, students. Okay, I hope you are understood. Have a nice day. Bye bye.